Hello, my name is Mikhail Yachev. I am the CEO of CM2W, and today I would like to present to you our latest technology, latest sensor, which is the temperature sensor. I guess most of the laundry experts know very well that the temperature is one of the most important things. Without it, it's not possible to have a good results. A couple of parameters are extremely important. The first one is the heating rate. Is it too fast or is it too slow? If it's too fast, it's very easy to fix certain spots. If it's too slow, it may be because of some heater is burned, and this is when you will lose efficiency, mostly because the duration will get much longer. So, in our platform, with the help of this sensor, we can easily track the heating rate. If it's something out of the range, we will get immediate alarm. In case you have a heating rate too fast or too slow, the CM2W platform will immediately notify you via email or via notification into the CM2W platform. The second thing, very important, most of the laundry experts, typically when they do a program, what they do, if they're using peracetic acid, they may say, I want to inject the peracetic acid at 35-40 degrees. Or if they are using hydrogen peroxide, you may need 50 degrees. Most of the technical guys, when they're doing a program, what they do, assuming that the temperature will get, let's say, at 50 degrees in 10 minutes, they put a delay into the program. But this is an assumption. Could be true or could be not true. So, with the temperature sensor in the program, now you don't say, I need 10 minutes delay or 20 minutes delay in order to get the temperature. You say, I want the product to be injected exactly at 60 degrees or at 50 degrees, no matter. But this is not an assumption anymore. The last few years, we are all living in a very challenging times, having COVID pandemic. And for all of us, it is very important to have a good disinfection, especially for the linen. Having a good disinfection means that we need to have chemicals injection, meaning proof of delivery. Second, time, duration, let's say 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and temperature, 20 minutes at 60 degrees. When the technical guy programmed the washer extractor, he defined the temperature and the duration. But the chemical provider, how to be sure that all these things are happening? The answer is he is not sure. So with the temperature sensor, we may say that if certain circumstances are not done, we will get an alert. What I mean? I mean that if the program is not 20 minutes at 60 degrees, the CM2W platform again will send you an immediate alarm. So that at the end of the day, you are sure that you have the proper heating rate and the proper duration at the right temperature, which is the result is good disinfection. Finally, I would like to say something which the technical guys may be very interested in. This is the time for installation. Because the sensor is wireless, the time for installation is a few minutes. You simply open the washer extractor, stuck this sensor on the wall, so to have a direct visibility to the external drum of the washer extractor, and that's it. And then this sensor will start continuously to monitor the temperature during the whole washing cycle, starting from the pre-wash, main wash, first, second, last rinse. And a lot of data is being generated, and this data will be properly presented to you throughout the CM2W platform in real time.